China National Heavy Duty Truck Group Company Limited, headquartered in Jinan, Shandong Province, at the foot of Mount Tai and the bank of the Yellow River, is the cradle of heavy-duty truck in China. The largest domestic manufacturing base and export base of heavy-duty trucks, as well as a world-famous heavy-duty truck manufacturing enterprise. Based on its core business of heavy-duty trucks, China National Heavy Duty Truck Group Company Limited has established a complete industrial chain of commercial vehicles, including whole series such as heavy, medium, and light trucks, buses, and special-purpose vehicles. It has developed 4 medium-heavy truck brands: Sinotruk, Haowo, STR, and Haohan, and 3 light truck brands: Haowo, Wangpai, and Haoman. The group focuses on China and overlooks the whole world. In order to promote its internationalization process, China National Heavy Duty Truck Group Company Limited has built a worldwide marketing service network from China to overseas countries with Chinren services extending to every corner of the world. The group's modern concepts, state-of-the-art equipment and management provide a good explanation of its brilliance. Since 2001, China National Heavy Duty Truck Group Company Limited has invested over 20 billion RMB into large-scale technical renovation, especially in its cooperation with the German company MAN, through which MAN technology, experimental verification, quality control, and management standards were strictly applied, resulting in an all-around upgrading of its equipment. Its technology process and quality assurance capability reaches to first-class level. The body production line is made up of a large-scale, full-automatic press line, intelligent robot-operated welding line, fully enclosed automatic body priming line, and robot-operated top coating line, which creates a quality of internationally advanced level. The high-precision complete vehicle production line is equipped with automotive assembling, debugging, and online testing equipment with high efficiency. China National Heavy Duty Truck Group Company Limited has 6 world-standard complete computer testing lines for examining the performance and quality of complete vehicles. Each vehicle is given an all-side inspection before being released to the market to ensure its prime quality. The key assemblies such as the cab, engine, axle, transmission, vehicle frame, and SCR exhaust post-processing system are all in-house, made by China National Heavy Duty Truck Group Company Limited itself. The R&D Center of China National Heavy Duty Truck Group Company Limited is the core of the research and development of its products. It is the only national-level heavy-duty vehicle engineering and technology center, national-level enterprise R&D center, national quality supervision and inspection center for heavy-duty trucks, and a first-class national scientific research institution. The R&D Center has a complete research and development system for complete vehicle, cab, powertrain, and drivetrain systems, from design to testing and inspection, and an international-level talent team that has undertaken many 863 planned projects and science and technology support projects. The MAN technology has been mainly introduced to the production of heavy and medium-duty trucks in Jinan Truck Company Limited, Jinan Commercial Vehicle, and Jining Commercial Vehicle Company, and the quality of their products has reached the international advanced level. The new upgrade Haohan N-Series products bring new experience to the users. With the golden triangle layout of its light trucks established by Jinan Light Truck, Chengdu Wangpai, and Fujian Haishi, the group's light trucks have reached the first-class level in China. With the demands of our country, the great trust of our leaders, and the support of our customers, China National Heavy Duty Truck Group Company Limited will proceed without hesitation to bear the mission that makes China to be a strong country in vehicle manufacturing. China National Heavy Duty Truck Group Company Limited is drawing up its strategic blueprint with a broader view, more advanced technologies, and more competitive products, sparing no efforts to transform itself into a whole series commercial vehicle group with international influence.